3, 2, 1. In today's video, we'll be hiking in the gorge. So let's go.
That's too high. I'd have to go this way. Hey guys, it's Pam here from Travel with Pam Pam, and I'm in the Magaliesberg gorge. It's called Kloof, and you can see the river behind me. It's really awesome. We've been walking through the gorge. We're going to carry on up the gorge that way. It's been an awesome walking. Let's go back a few hours and see how my day started. Going to have a fun-filled day, and this is what I'm going to pack into my bag. Sunblock, a hat, a rain jacket just in case, another hat, my scarf, and arm coolers, which is my new thing I'm just going to test out, and of course mainly to test out this little gadget and my little book. It's a perfect sunshine day in South Africa. France, an experienced hiker from Mountain Trolls, is going to walk us in.
We are on our walk into Kloof, which you can see in the distance, in the Magaliesberg mountain range. This is a popular venue for hikers and particularly for climbers. Next door is another gorge. In that direction, we should see it shortly. You can see a little house, and just behind the house, above the roof, that is Mhlabatini. It's another very popular climbing venue. But we're headed for Kloof at the moment. Should be a good day. We're just hiking today, but it's also very popular for climbing, and we're just going to go and check it out. We're on our walk into the Kloof. At least the walk-in's got a bit shadier now. It's not so hot in the sun. It's really scenic here, very pretty. Come this way, you've gone the wrong way. This way. You've gone the wrong way. Come between the posts. That's it. Well done. Okay. Let's carry on with our walk. Yeah, we're carrying on our walk into the cliff. It's definitely more shady, and now we've come to the stream. Beautiful here by the stream. And we'll go deeper into the gorge. It's not very steep at the moment, but it becomes a vertical gorge as we walk in further. We're stopping for a quick water break. This water is absolutely crystal clear and 100% pure. In fact, it's probably purer than any of your Aquile and Bon Aqua and all of those. It's beautiful, clear mountain water. It comes straight out of the ground, not 100-200 meters from here. So we're drinking the water almost right at the source. And here we are, we finally come into the steeper part of the kloof. You see it's become a lot narrower. Let's just flip around here. You can see it's pretty steep. It's starting to get steep right at the beginning here. As we move in, you'll see some popular places where people like to climb. Now we're going into the kloof. I've just got to be careful to step on the rocks nicely, not to get my feet wet. Or for the camera to fall into the water. No, we don't want that. Look at this, isn't this beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. You can see evidence of people having climbed here. See all the white marks on the rock. You can even see some carabiners hanging on the rock there. Definitely signs that climbers have been here.
I'm in Kloof Gorge in the Magaliesberg, and the boulders and the streams really interesting as you go boulder hopping through the gorge, and the river is just so clear. But there's an awesome view of the gorge. I'm gonna try stepping with it and we'll see how stable it is. Okay, it is quite stable because I've moved and not the picture. Wow, how awesome is this water? It's just the stream in the kloof. This is one of the narrow gorges in the Magaliesberg, but the water is stunning with the reflection of these trees. The only way to get up here is through this little crevice, and I wonder if I'm going to make it through with my awesome nails.
Catch episode 2 to see how I made it out and for more adventure.
I've had lots of fun. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.